Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, start करें. We are doing ratio and proportion. Page number 1.
Yes, sir.
What is the page number?
125.
125.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
So, have we started any question?
No, beta, not yet.
Okay.
Now we have to do which question?
12th. Sir, 11 or 12.
11 or 12. We have done the 10th one.
We have done till
Number is
10th.
subtracted. 11th I gave you to do it on your own. 12th one we have to do. Two numbers are in the ratio 7:2. Yes, 12th one we have to do. How is being awesome today?
Sir, cold, sort of.
Cold. Not very cold. Sunlight.
Sir, cold also and foggy also.
Foggy and cold. Achha, it is. Where do you live, Alin? Alin, है ना कौन है ये? Sorry, Kartike. Kartike, where do you live?
Sir, Greater Green Park.
Greater Ginbagach. Okay, I
Sir,
think
in Meerut there is very cold.
in
Park,
Green
it's
side there is
cold.
no sun today. There is no sun there.
Sir, there is sun. It's
There
too
is.
cold here in Meerut.
Where, Navya, where do you live?
Sir, I came to my Nani's house in Meerut.
Meerut. In Meerut, it is very cold today. It's a Nani's house.
Sir.
So you are playing a queen today,
Yes, sir.
princess. Nani's house. You become a king and a queen at your Nani's place. Always.
So your sister is younger or elder than you?
My sister. My sister is younger than me, but she always acts like she's elder. Sorry, she's younger, but she acts like she's elder than me. She thinks that she's smarter, but everyone knows the truth. Exercise 8A. What is your case, Angel?
Sir, my case is that like I hit him and he tells mummy and then mummy hits me.
Oh, acha, you hit him, really? You hit him?
Sir, I know that I'm younger, but then too, you see, fights,
Acha.
normal fight.
And he complains to your mother.
Sir, I guess you would get if she told you.
Okay.
But then you see, Papa is there.
Papa is always there on daughter's side. Mother is there on the son's side, and father is always there on the daughter's side. I have noticed this in my case also. Okay. So question number 12. Two numbers are in the ratio 7 is to 11. If 7 is added to each of the numbers, the ratio becomes 2 is to 3. Linear equation में करा है हमने ये. Same question किया हुआ I think. Okay. So let the numbers be 7x and 11x because the ratio of the two numbers is given 7 is to 11. Let the numbers be, let the two numbers be 7x and 11x. So these are the two numbers. इनका ratio 7 is to 11 दिया था. So we have assumed that the first number is 7x and the second number is 11x. Now if 7 is added to each of the numbers, 7x plus 7 and 11x plus 7, दोनों में मैंने क्या करा 7 add कर. This is given in the book. If you add 7 in each of the numbers, okay, what do you get? The ratio becomes 2 is to 3. The ratio becomes 2 is to 3. Okay, so this is the equation, linear equation. If you add 7 in each of the numbers, then the new ratio, the first number will become 7x plus 7, second number will become 11x plus 7, and the new ratio will be equal to 2 is to 3. Have you all understood the equation?
Yes, sir. Sir, then we will
Yes,
cross
sir.
Yes,
Please
sir.
tell again.
Yeah,
options.
yes. So there are two numbers, जिनका ratio 7 is to 11 given. So we have assumed that the first number is 7x and the second number is 11x. Okay, इन दोनों numbers का ratio 7 is to 11 था. लेकिन हम numbers को जब assume करेंगे, we have assumed that the first number is 7x and the second number is 11x. Okay, इस तरीके से assume करते हैं. पीछे भी हमने किए हुए हैं ऐसे क्वेश्चन.
16, 30,
So
80,
7x and 11x are the two numbers. If you add 7 in each of the numbers, अगर दोनों numbers में हम 7 add करेंगे, this is given in the book. You read the question. If 7 is added to each of the numbers, the new ratio 7x plus 7 ratio 11x plus 7. This is the new ratio. It becomes equal to 2 is to 3. The new ratio becomes equal to 2 is to 3. So this is the equation.
Understood.
Okay. So 7x plus 7 upon 11x plus 7 is equal to 2 upon 3. Cross multiply नाम की चीज सुनी
Sir,
होगी.
49 and 77. X is equals to 7.
Very good. Cross multiply नाम का कुछ सुन है ना, वही करेंगे. Cross multiply 21x plus 21 equals to 22x plus 14. 21 minus 14 is equal to 2x minus 21x. 7 equals to x. So this is the value of 7. So what are the two numbers? First number,
49
Sir, 7 multiplied by 7 and 11 multiplied by 7.
yes. First number 7x, that means 7 into 7, which is equal to 49. And second number 11x, 11 into 7, 77. These are the two numbers. Any परेशानी?
No, sir, understood.
Good.
So we can do the next question by ourselves.
Let me see the question first. Two numbers
Sir,
are in
it's the
relation. Okay,
there
do
is
it.
like the acting part.
Almost the same. Start doing it. Start doing it. Alishba beta, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. बेटा आपने ये पता करा वॉलपेपर की क्या कॉस्ट आ रही है?
Sir, in the end, you have written last number and second number.
First number and
Sir,
second number.
15 and 27.
Okay.
Yes, sir. 15 and 27 is the answer.
Yes, sir, 15 and 27.
Okay, very good.
Sir, in
Mhm.
both number, the number which we are adding is the only value of x.
Yes.
Chaitanya beta, are you doing your work?
Sir, after 12th question with what we have to do?
Sir, 13th question or 14th?
13th you had to do on your own. Have you all done it? The 13th one?
Yes,
Navya,
sir.
did I-
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, doing.
Chaitanya, have you done it?
Yes.
Question number 13 कर लिया आपने चैतन्य?
सर 14th भी बहुत इजी है, वो भी खुद कर लें।
Let me read the question. Two numbers are in the ratio 3:4. If their LCM is 180, find the numbers. Okay. So
Sir,
let us
इसका
assume
तो
that the
hint
two
भी दिया
numbers
है।
are
सर
3x
हिंट
and
समझ आ
4x.
जाए तो हो जाएगा।
The answer of 14 is the first number is 45 and second number is 60.
Sorry, आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा. Okay, let me tell you. I will do
The answer of question number 14 is, sir, first number is 45 and second is 60.
Okay.
Utkarsh, can you please stop giving the answers, please?
Okay,
Okay.
I will explain all of you. 13th is same as this one, 12th one. I hope you all have done the 13th one. Now we will be doing 14th, which I will explain you. Some of you already know how to do it, but still, everyone has not done it. So let me explain. Muskan is there in the class. Muskan, beta, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Very good. How are you, Muskan?
Sir, very good.
Very good. Very good to know that you are very good. Saksham Sahu is there.
Yes, sir.
How are you, Saksham?
Sir, absolute fine.
Absolutely fine. Very good.
Until question number 22.
Question 14. So here two numbers are given. Their ratio is 3:4. There are two numbers whose their ratio is 3:4 and their LCM is 180. Using this information, we have to find the two numbers. So let the two numbers be 3x and 4x. Same as the last question. Let the two numbers. Let the
So
two
the answer of 13th one is first number 15 and the second number is 27.
Very good. Correct answer. So let the two numbers be 3x and 4x. Okay. Now their LCM is what? 180. 180 is the LCM. LCM, how do we find the LCM of two numbers? Do you all know this? कैसे निकालते हैं 3x, 4x, these are the two numbers. आपने सब सीखा है ना ये LCM निकालना, ये वाले मेथड से आता है आपको?
Yes,
For
sir.
example, if I am finding the LCM
Yes,
of
sir, सीखा।
मान लो मैं 12 और 15 का LCM निकाल रहा हूँ, देखिए all of you. So how I can do this? I will first divide the two numbers by their common factors. What is the common factor of 12 and 15? It is
3,
तो 3 से पहले करेंगे this I will get 4, and then I will
4
get,
and 5.
then you divide it by 2, so you get 2 comma 5, because 5 is not divisible by 2, but still you will copy it down again by 2, 1 comma 5, then 5, 1 comma 1. So जब तक ये 1 comma 1 नहीं आएगा, I will keep on dividing them, and then when I multiply all these numbers, I will get the LCM. ये आपने सीखा हुआ है ना? Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So same thing I am going to use here. What is the common factor? ये दोनों numbers x से divide होंगे या नहीं होंगे? Are the two numbers divisible by x?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, it will become 3 comma 4.
You will get
Yes, sir, 3,4 we can.
Are you getting my point? Both the numbers are divisible by x. X is the common factor.
Yes, sir.
तो 3 comma 4. किसको नहीं आया ये समझ में? जब तक नहीं आएगा मैं आगे नहीं बढ़ूंगा. Have you
Sir,
all
मुझे नहीं आया.
Very
Sir,
good.
why we are dividing it by 3? मतलब x.
X is a common
Because there is
factor.
X.
Numbers, आप देखो दोनों numbers कौन से number से divisible हैं? आपको दोनों में x दिख रहा है या नहीं दिख रहा है?
Sir means अगर x की जगह y होता तो यहाँ y आता.
दोनों जगह y होता तो y से divide करते हैं. For example,
Okay, sir.
in this case, suppose this is the number 3xyz, comma 4xy. Suppose ऐसा है. Okay. So these are the two numbers. इन दोनों का LCM मुझे निकालना है. For example, so first of all,
Here x, y, z is common.
x is common, z is not common. X is common. I can divide it by x first. पहले मैं x से कर देता हूँ. So I get 3y.
3y, z it will be now.
Sir, 3y z.
यहाँ क्या
Sir,
बचा?
4y.
Now y is common. So पहले y से करेंगे.
Sir, y is common.
Sir, 3z 4.
4. अभी there is
Then
no common
z.
factor. So you divide by 3. You get z comma 4. Then you divide it by 4. You get z comma 1. Then finally you can divide it by z. You get 1 comma 1. आया समझ में?
Sir,
Wait.
what if we divide first with z?
Yes, sir.
No problem in
Yes,
that.
sir, आ गया.
You can divide by any number. You can divide by any number first.
Okay, sir.
No problem in that. Okay. So understood what I am trying to explain here?
Yes, sir.
So, sir, what will be the answer of this that you are erasing?
इसका answer all the product of all these numbers. 3 into y into x into 4 into z. So their product will be 12xyz.
Okay, sir.
Okay. इस केस में LCM आपका 12xyz आ जाता. मैंने सॉरी वो दिखाया नहीं आपको, but LCM हो जाता 12xyz.
Yes, sir. 12x. 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2
In this
multiplied by
case,
x.
the common factor is x. Now, which is the smallest prime number? You can divide the two numbers. 3 is not divisible by 2, but 4 is divisible by 2. So you can divide it by 2. 3
Have
comma
to
2.
do it.
You have to do it.
Sir, now it is divisible by 3 and 2.
Okay, so finally, you divide it by 3, you get 1 comma 1. Okay. We have
Yes,
done the
sir.
factors. Now LCM is equal to the product of all the factors. Product of all these factors, you will get the LCM. The product is 12x. Am I right?
Sir,
or not?
12x. Sir,
And
12x.
LCM is given
Sir.
already given. The LCM is already given, which is 180. So what is the value of x? 180 upon 12.
112.
The value of x is 15.
60.
Now you
Sir,
find
Sorry,
the
sir,
number.
15.
Dx is
Sir,
equal to
45. Sir,
Sir,
45 and
45 and
60.
60. Sir,
Sir,
45 and 60.
60.
correct. So these are the two numbers. किसी को कोई परेशानी हो तो बताइए.
No, sir.
सर
Hmm.
सर
Yes.
सर जब एलसीएम लिया तो सर 2x नहीं लिख सकते थे 2x और 3x दैट सर 2x इज इक्वल सर 2x से जब डिवाइड करेंगे तो 3 3x 2x सर ऐसे आएगा
2x से डिवाइड करोगे तो x कहाँ बचेगा यहाँ पर? You cannot divide
So
3x by 2x. If you are dividing 3x
Okay,
and
sir.
4x by 2x, तो पहली बात तो this number is not divisible by 2x.
Yes,
This
sir.
is
Sir,
divisible
but
by
it is LCM. Sir, LCM में तो सर कोई एक भी हो
LCM में
सकता
करते
है
हैं ना,
ना?
but one by one, step by step, you have to move. You cannot take a number which is not a prime number. So it will give you a wrong answer if you are dividing it by 2x. It will create problems. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, that is why it is called prime factorization.
Yes, prime factorization इसीलिए तो बुलाते हैं इसको. You have to divide it by prime numbers first. बस क्या हमेशा ही prime numbers को करते हैं. This is the easiest way of doing the question.
Sir, done.
Next, the ages of A and B are in the ratio 8:3. 6 years hence, 6 साल बाद, their ages will be in the ratio 9:4. Find that this is same as question number 11. No, sorry, 12.
Sir, it is a. Sir, this sum looks like a linear equation.
Yes.
Sir,
In
Yes, sir.
question we
age
have to do
of
Yes, sir,
this.
instead of. So first we have to suppose the ages as x.
Hmm.
B.
Correct.
then we can like add it and then
Yes.
the
So it
And
is,
sir, then we have 2 plus 6 years and equals that, which equals
Sir,
to
after 14th
6
question, which
years.
question
9
we have to
upon
do?
4.
please
Then we will do cross
Plus
multiplication.
x upon 3x plus
remain
6
quiet.
equals
Just for a minute, remain quiet. Let me tell you what is this. First of all, this question is similar to questions we have done in linear equation. पहली बात. दूसरी बात, this question is also similar to question number 12, which we did today only.
yes
Question
sir
12, बिल्कुल exactly same as question 12. बस यहाँ पर ages कर दिए, वहाँ पर numbers थे. Numbers की जगह यहाँ पर ages हो गई हैं. Doesn't make any difference. The method of doing the question will be the same, and we will be doing question number 15. We will do question 15 or any other question. We will do question 15. All of you start doing it. Let the ages be, क्या मान लेंगे ages को 9x and क्या है यहाँ पर, sorry, 8x and 3x. Let the ages be 8x and 3x. The period will get over at
So 20.
11:20.
A will be 48 and B will be 40. No, sorry. B will be 8.
Let the ages of A and B
Sir, A will be 48 years and B will be 18 years.
Okay.
Yes, sir, 48
Yes, sir.
and
Be
80.
8 multiplied by 16 and
Yes,
3
sir.
multiplied by 6. 8 multiplied by 6 and 3 multiplied by 6.
तो
And
6
sir,
साल
the
बाद
value of x will be 6.
वेरी गुड। 6 साल बाद दोनों की एज हो जाएगी 8x plus 6 and 3x plus 6. Now the new ratio of their ages that is given 9:4. देख लीजिए, is it exactly same
Yes, sir.
as question number 12?
48 and 18 is the answer.
This is the equation. Anyone any problem in the equation?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
बहुत अच्छे. So when you solve this, what is the value of x? What do you get the value of x? कितना आ रहा है?
X equals to 6.
How
X
much?
is 6.
6.
X is 6.
6.
So a की age आपकी आ गई 8x, which is equals to 48 years,
48.
and b is equal to 3x, which is equals to 18 years. I think they are father and son, or father and daughter, maybe, or mother and daughter, or mother and son. Any one of the case हो सकता है. Chaitanya, beta, are you able to listen what I am speaking?
Yes, sir.
Then can you tell me, are you doing your work? बेटा मेरे पास आवाज नहीं आई. चैतन्य, are you doing the work?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Are you
sir.
doing- Very good, very good.
Sir, can we take like sir 8x plus 6 upon 3x plus 6 equals to 9 upon 4. So then 4 multiplied by 8x plus 6 ratio, so 3x
Equal
9 multiplied by
to
3x
9 into multiplied 9 multiplied by 3x plus 6.
by 3x and 6.
क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना है. यस ऑब्वियसली उसके बाद सॉल्व करेंगे. मैंने डायरेक्टली लिख दिया है यहाँ पे.
Yes sir, आप genius है ना.
नहीं मैंने जीनियस नहीं, मैंने बच्चों से पूछ के लिखा यार. देखे ये लड़का भी लिख बैठा हुआ है. लक्ष्य कहाँ है? लक्ष्य बेटा तुमने इनको भी दे दिया क्या?
सर मांग रहा था सर,
दे दिया.
मैंने खुद नहीं निकाला भाई, मैंने बच्चों से पूछा.
Sir, may I tell the answer of the next question?
Let me read the question first. And the question is the ratio of copper and zinc in an alloy is 9:5. If the weight of copper in the alloy is 48.6 grams, find the weight of zinc in the alloy. Yes, Karthikeya, your answer.
Sir, the weight of zinc is 27 grams.
Okay, very good. Let us assume that the weights are 9x and 5x. ठीक है? Weights को assume कभी, this is even easier. Question number 16. So copper and zinc का ratio given है आपको. The in an alloy जानते हैं ना सारे बच्चे? Do you know what is
Yes,
an
sir.
alloy?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Mixture of two metals or a non-metal.
Mixture of two metals.
Two or more than
Or a
two.
metal or a non-metal.
Two or more
Sir,
than
I
two.
think multiple metals.
Yes. नहीं, at least two होते हैं वहाँ पे. तो कम से कम two होने चाहिए.
Okay, sir.
Two metals or more. Or
Two
a
yes.
metal and a non-metal.
So let us assume that the quantity of copper is weight of copper is 9x and 5x. ये आप मान लीजिए 9x और 5x, ठीक है. Quantity of copper equals to 9x and similarly quantity of zinc 5x. Now आपको कॉपर का I think weight किसका दिया हुआ है? कॉपर का weight given है 48.6 grams. तो 9x को 48.6 के इक्वल लगा देंगे. Okay, because it is given. So
Yes, sir.
you get the value of x 48.6 upon 9. X equals to 486 upon 90. So what do you get? You get 45, 5, 36, 4, 54 upon 10. That means 5.4 आ गई x की value. Now zinc
Yes, sir.
कितनी है उसमें? Zinc is equals to 5x. That means 5 into 5.4 grams. 5 into 5.4 is equals to 27 grams, I think. Am I right?
Yes, sir. 27 grams.
5 into 5.4, 27 grams. Understood, everyone? बहुत easy था.
Yes, sir.
मेरी गंदी सी rating समझ में आ जाती है आपको?
We can do the next question.
सर
Sir,
एक
आपके
फ्यूचर का क्वेश्चन पूछना था.
क्या हो बेटा?
सर एक फ्यूचर का क्वेश्चन.
क्या पूछना था? Sorry.
सर एक फ्यूचर का क्वेश्चन मतलब आगे जाके पूछे ऐसा
Future
क्वेश्चन.
future मत
Sir,
पूछो.
26th question at
मैं
time.
पूछूं?
हाँ जी पूछिए.
सर 24th क्वेश्चन करना है क्या?
Which ratio
24th
is
नंबर
better?
क्वेश्चन.
नहीं करेंगे. You do no, don't do all the parts of it. Do any one or two parts. 2 parts कर लीजिए उसकी कोई भी.
सर फर्स्ट
Sir,
Sir, I
but
have done the 17th question.
Sorry बेटा.
Sir, I have done the 17th question.
You have done the 17th question. Very good.
So, sir,
Right.
may I tell the answer?
and the exercise.
Yes, give your answer. Karthikeya.
Sir, the number of boys are 1000.
Number of boys are 1000. Okay. Number of girls given here. It is same as this one. All of you. Can you try it?
yes, sir, my 5 questions are left
Yes,
to
sir.
complete the exercise.
8x मान लेंगे, गर्ल्स 3x मान लेंगे और 3x को 375 के इक्वल लगा देंगे और फिर x की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी, फिर बॉयज भी निकाल लेंगे. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, boys are 8 into 125. Sir, what is the color of zinc?
Zinc का color.
Sir, I think grayish, grayish.
Don't know.
Sir, but I have seen zinc. It is gray in color.
Okay.
Yes.
So 1000 boys.
1000 boys. Are you all doing the 17th one? Do you need any help in 17th?
Yes, sir.
Anyone? Do you need any help in 17th?
No, sir. Sir, done 1000 boys. Sir, done 1000 boys.
Very good.
Sir, are there any chances that we will be coming to school for this
In this
session?
session? in this session? Do you want to go to the school in this session or not, Navya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You want to go to the school in this session?
Safety is first. The safety is
Angel.
first.
Sir, I haven't even seen the school from inside. Like I'm a new admission.
You would like to see it. You were there in St. Mariana earlier?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So any day you can come and see the school infrastructure of the school.
Yes, sir. 1000 is the answer.
Or you want to meet the children, meet your friends, online friends. You want to make them offline friends.
Yes, sir.
You want to convert your online friends into offline friends. Eh?
Yes, sir. I haven't even seen them. Like in the Zoom also, there are only some children like Payal and Rishma.
Some faces are
I've seen only them only.
only some faces are visible, others are not visible. Some are having network
Yes,
issues,
sir.
some don't want to show their faces because they have not taken a bath since last 2-3 months. That is why.
So the meeting is about to end. Like,
The very important topic is going on. We were discussing about the students have not taken bath since last 2-3 months. So those who have not taken bath since last 2-3 months, they avoid opening their videos. Some
Sir,
of them. Anji,
sir, there will be no winter holidays?
beta, you have a winter holiday tomorrow. And
Sir,
on
only
first
a
of
सर ये तो सस्ते में निपट गए हम।
So that is for
सर
Christmas.
बहुत कम विंटर हॉलीडे निकले।
And one more winter holiday is there, 1st of Jan.
सर on 31st and 1st।
So that
31st,
is
I'm
New
not
Year's holiday.
sure. I'm not sure of 31st. It could not.
But sir, last year there was of more than 15 days.
यस सर
That
सर
was
उस बार तो
There were
यूटी
government
कैंसिल हो गए
holidays.
थे बाद में हुए थे।
those were declared by the DM. This time the DM cannot declare holidays because already holidays are going on.
नो सर क्लासेस आर गोइंग ऑन।
Yes, sir.
I mean, you are
Yes,
not
sir.
going to the school, you are sitting at your home. So you should
सर देयर शुड बी अ डिजिटल लॉकडाउन आल्सो।
there should be a digital lockdown. Digital lockdown. So I will forward your request one day, someday. Yesterday I had 7 or 8 missed calls from our Prime Minister Narendra
The
Modi.
time is over. The class is over.
Okay, thank you all of you. We will meet tomorrow.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
We will meet on in the next period only. I have an arrangement. Congratulations.
यस
I have an
मजा आता
arrangement.
है।
Sir, thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.